Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, did it yesterday, so that's where all these different colored lines come from. And as expected, the price finally did make a decent sized move. But the crazy part about the move is it was actually a move in all different directions. So I'll quickly recap it. But yesterday I talked about essentially, the price was running out of space. You had this trend line here. So, something needed to happen. And that something happened right away with a gap down. And then the price started to, let's get another color. The price started to fall. And then all of a sudden, the price leveled out there. Sorry about that. Had a annotation tool problem there. But anyways, the price started to level out there, and then it made a move all the way back up here. So a lot of wishy-washy action here. Still tradable for sure. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that, this isn't, these are intended to be traded in the first place, but that's a whole nother discussion. So we got our decision. The bears showed up, but then the bulls came roaring back and got up here. Actually did fight through that orange line. The problem with that, though, is they had expended so much energy to just work their way back up there. So by the time they finally got through, and this is how I pictured it in my mind, so much energy had already been expended that they didn't have much left, and then the bears were able to, push the price back down a little bit. But as far as, kind of who won the day, you definitely got to give it to the bulls because from where the price was to as high as it went and then where it ultimately closed, good solid day for the bulls. Now, they still got to deal with this pesky line. A trend line, a true resistance break has two parts. The first part is always the obvious one. Well, yeah, the price has to break above a certain level. But then the price has to be able to maintain above it. Case in point right here. Sure, the price broke up above that trend line, could not maintain above it, price fell back below it. Same thing today. Sure, the price broke up above the orange line, but could not maintain it. So both of these instances, part one of the true break happened, but not part two, which is you got to be able to stay up above the level that you broke above. So that orange line is definitely still kind of the thorn in the side right now of the bulls. If the price can get back up above there and start to work its way upwards, then $9 as we've been tracking, still that key, next level of resistance. But all in all, good solid day for the bulls. This thing is still seeming like it wants to prep, especially when you look at where these lows have been. So we'll see if, the bulls can pull something out of their sleeves over the next couple of days this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.